Hi guys, so today I am joined by a special guest once again. It's Lou! Hi! Okay, so today we're going to be doing a video where she's going to be putting makeup on my face blindfolded.
I cannot wait.
I'm terrified.
She's going to look like a clown.
Right, just find you your little eye mask, and if you want to adjust it to your face, but it's got creepy little eyelashes on.
Uh-oh. Oh, it does need to be sorted.
Done?
Yes.
Sorted?
Yes, definitely can't see it.
It looks terrifying because I'm used to the way eyes usually are and they're just not there. Louise has already picked out the makeup she's going to be putting on my face. And she's got her brushes down there as well, so this is going to be hilarious.
Oh. Right, are we starting?
Yes.
Okay. Primer. Right?
Showing the lights.
I can't even feel that on my finger.
You've got a tiny bit on there.
Okay.
Okay. It's like E.T. Just like...
Okay, put it. Right.
You're gonna put it in my mouth!
Oh no!
Right,
That's
my
a cheek.
cheek.
Right, that's definitely a cheek.
We have cheek. Houston, we have cheek.
It's really hard to dot it. I'll dot it and then I'll spread. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to spread.
Yeah, that's my chin prime.
Alright, okay. Foundation 2. Cheek. Cheek. Nope. So it's like there.
I'm just gonna keep my eyes closed for this bit. So now we've got under eye concealer.
Under eye concealer. I feel an eyeball. In the right place.
Okay, so going on to eyeshadow.
Are you ready for this experiment?
Not really. The camera stopped filming, so I don't know where I actually cut out because I had to have my eyes closed.
Right?
Yep.
Eyebrows. Step 1.
To be fair, you're really good at finding my eyebrows. Just you don't need as much stuff this time.
Try?
Yeah.
I don't know what position the brush is in. I really don't want a monobrow head.
It's okay, you haven't
Right.
got a monobrow. But
Eyebrows are complete and they're beautiful, I suspect.
they are pretty.
Eyeliner. Oh god.
Okay, I'm trusting her with my eyeliner.
You really shouldn't.
Pray for my eyes.
That's your cheek. That's your little apple. Eyelashes. Is right? No, that's an eyebrow. I'm just gonna go for it now.
You may as well.
That's one perfect eye done. Now for the second perfect eye. Yep. That would do it.
Perfect. Another black
Stunning.
eye. It's beautiful. When I get married, can you do my makeup for me?
Oh yeah. So we've done eyebrows, done eyeliner. Is the lips next?
You can do. Right, there's my chin.
Therefore, the lips should be. Now that is the beautiful bottom one done, I think. Unless that's your chin again. Now to do the top. Okay. Top, your teeth.
Not quite.
Like here. I'm on your bottom lip again, right? Now your top. Right. That'll do it. Now for finishing powder to set my masterpiece in stone. Nope. Nope.
Yes.
Was it?
Yeah.
No way. Now we need a big old fluffy brush.
The camera.
Big old fluffy blush. Chin.
Lips.
Don't need more really. Nose. Oh yeah. Forehead. Oh. Wait. Forehead? Right?
Yeah.
I believe that's all of the ingredients for an amazing wedding look.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! That is the most horrendous thing I've ever seen! Hey, hold on, so that's why for your eyeshadow, not here.
No, that's eyeliner.
Oh! I thought I was doing quite well. Your eyebrows!
Tobes! Come here! Because I want you to show you something.
Because I want you to see.
Yeah?
Yes, you do.
Am I
ready?
going to shit my pants?
3,
Yes.
2, 1.
This is her wedding
Do you
makeup,
like it?
and you have to get on board with this because it's gonna be it. So,
Hi.
so this was her eyeliner where I thought her eyeliner was.
What did she do to you?
Where did I put the eyeshadow? Did I actually
Up
put
here
it there?
somewhere. You put loads on your bush. I don't know where it went.
Do you like
Yeah.
her lipstick?
Do you like it?
Do you like
Pretty
her
hot.
eyebrows?
Just like jabbing her.
I think my favourite bit is the eyeliner.
When you lift up the veil, this is what you're gonna see. So,
I'd fucking run.
if you would like this beautiful look, contact Louise Palmer at I'llWreckYourFace.com. It's okay. I'll never do this to you ever again, I promise.
Oh my. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you want to see any more sort of collaborations where I've got like Louise or something like that, because you're a thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this.
She created the thing. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
Love you, bye.